Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to Soccer Forensics. Ntwana Ukraine.
I'm Nandi for the boy.
I'm Nandi.
Oh, good, my boy.
Sweet, man.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until La Ekasi. As tall as she's and as tall as Bagwalazi. Fresh, my boy.
Ntwana?
Officially 800 subs.
Sure.
On the dot.
All thanks to you guys.
Straight to 1,000 right now, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, this coming month, officially 1,000 subs. Please, guys, if you're already watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so. Kona manj. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for the lovely messages as well, for the likes as well. Continue sharing as well, guys. Your support makes us what we are. And Tologut is big. It's Tola Nama sponsor very, very soon, guys. So please, guys, continue supporting us and we'll bring you guys latest football. Yes, now.
Sure.
My boy is Kalava Fanda.
Yeah, Ntwana Vandag is la
Africa, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah,
mele sithathe indaba ka Coach Rulani Mokoena. Yeah.
But my boy.
So, Coach Rulani Mokoena, as we all know, ukuthi manje it's official ukuthi uyavayara ku Wydad Casablanca, so
it's official now.
Yeah, the Wydad team or manager. Yeah, they've granted Coach Rulani Mokoena an exceptional leave.
A leave, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the president. The president granted him leave.
Yeah, so currently he's in Europe, enjoying his days there. You know, after the psychological issues, pressure, my friends and stuff. Yeah, so I think it's a great thing, man.
Yeah, I think it's a great move for him. It's been coming, I guess. Like, it's been coming. But I wanted him to, like, at least finish the matches that are left.
Yeah. It's
only 3 matches. Like, 3 matches left for the league Vale, and I continue in life, yeah, but it's psychological pressure.
Yeah, but and I'm sure, like, I believe they're practicing Ubuntu.
Ubuntu?
Yeah, like imagine it make a guy of Abatandana go to rest in Europe.
But in
jail, you're feeling like unlike good, but okay, we're terminating your contract. Thank you. Over.
I guess.
With your psychological pressure thing, what?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
So Ntwana will only be getting his salary?
Yeah. Yeah, he's going to get his salary after the termination of contract. Yeah, the monthly salary.
Yeah.
But there's no compensation, financial what. So yeah. Yeah. They will only give him his monthly salary, but it's a great thing, man.
It's a great. I guess it's a great thing. And nakona ntana ngicabanga ukuthi bashaya nge-reverse psychology ntwana
ne
maga hinta ukuthi yena uyagula iWydad kwamele ithole i-coach engathi i-better for the team.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi Pirates already
besemthintile. Yeah, like ngishilo now previous video ngithi ngathi isikele emnyana lesi. But man, I think ukuthi they
ngicabanga ukuthi ayikho kanjalo.
No, like noma ngabe ikanjalo ntana, as long as it works for him.
For him, no?
Yeah, like as a coach, man. Everyone wanna be big in this industry, man. You know? So
okay.
Yeah, you only take what's best for you.
Space is created there by Pirates.
Though, man, I would have been so happy to see Urulani. No Pep ngapha. Yes. Since riding away that igu same group name City.
Club World Cup.
Yeah, so if first game and there's other too. Yo.
I also wanted to see that. Like, I really wanted to see that. It was official when he made his move to Wydad.
Yeah.
From Sundown to okay, already ilent fixture besetiwe yangithola.
Yeah.
So already besazi ukuthi uzodlala I mean uzoba coach Sundowns for Club World Cup, but then to wahamba. So I was like, I'm still happy he's still on the Club World Cup stats. But it's very, very unfortunate, Konamanja. I wanted to see the real Pep and Pep was at Temo. Our own Pep was at Temo.
Our very own African
Pep. Guardiola. Futhi Ziyawina manje ze-Man City usibonile
zibhiki zibuyile
umfazi wakhe ubuyile that's why he's winner so
manje leya psychological pressure naye gone kuyi
gone ntwana gone khona manje uwine
let's continue my boy okay cool
ziyodlala i-FA Cup i-final ngithola congratulations to them.
It's a great thing, man.
Yeah, congratulations to them.
A lot this season, man. So I think they deserve something just to keep up the energy, man.
Ribeiro uyahamba so ispace yavuleka lapha ePirates ngithola. As we were saying, maybe untwana umuvela to iPirates, but it's not official as yet. Ribeiro also, he was looking for lapha Spain, lapha Europe kahle ngithola. Making a move lapha Europe, but there's like teams still needing his services like Africa. Which are those teams, my boy?
Man.
The confirmed ones. The confirmed ones at this moment.
We're not gonna say it's a confirmed one, and of course, I'm a rumor so I was like, as long as I accept it's not yet confirmed. But manje since nabegati we Spain manje there is Zamalek yamfuna Al Ahly yamfuna ne waited nayo manje after parting ways with Urulane. So man,
don't you think bazo swap?
Well, no, we'll never know. But I think when it comes to choosing Dwana, he might choose Iraiden Al Ahly in terms of equality.
Untwana, he is gunning for the Nedbank Cup before Ahab.
Final.
Ilangna
khona samakhos relax.
That will be his 6th title. If he wins, And ngapha there's still the league. I think they still, since bakhiphe lama points where the team lay by keeping
where
Royal AM. Since bakhiphe lama points lawa, they still stand a chance. Mamilus announced is leading Orlando Pirates with 9 points. And gule 9 points, the Pirates still has like 2 game in hands.
Sure.
So it's ibuyile ngitshela.
Sure. If they win these 2 games, which means only 3 points away.
Okay.
And
again, nina nodlala ngi-10 ne?
So manje ngi-3.
No, I'm saying like for the cup, for the cup, it's ngi-10. Okay, so ushukuthi idaide nginganishaka yi2 though.
No way.
Like
in indaba zasesowethu ngingazingeni. Yabo like thina sibakayi 3 point bona basikayi cup simple. Indaba zasesowethu lesini rightly maraba start hlalani le.
Indaba zasesowethu.
Le Nedbank yasesowethu le. Yabo.
Ngeke boy.
Maraba start yonke ayihlale phansi. Le indaba zasesowethu siqede Soweto.
Okay, I feel all the best for the Soweto 2 giant teams. Ngathi singawuluza zonke zethu.
And it's impossible. Yeah, man.
But moving right along as well, there's been like rumors ukuthi uPitso naye he's being linked ne Pirates.
Though Utiena uyayibona imedia been pushing Utiena is busy behind the scene Orlando Pirates. But yena kwelakhe side Utiena they've never reached him. So as they've never reached to him, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Because like uyaphela lasho lento le, and it might happen ukuthi maybe izihamba ngaphansi indaba but ke man like I think ukuthi ucoach Bizo Ntwana umuntu very open ngithola bambuza ngeKaizer Chiefs or athena if I went to coach Kaizer Chiefs, why not?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, so I think like Orlando Pirates because we share the very same thing.
Which why not?
Yeah, so I think he's a very open guy.
Yeah. He just spoke about the timing. Is like he wouldn't mind coming back like South Africa.
Yeah.
Coaching a South African team basically.
Sure.
Timing is gonna be right. Fresh new start. Orlando Pirates needing a technical quality coach nakona, so why not beat?
Yeah,
why not beat?
That's true.
So let's just wait and see all the news unfold. Yeah, kusazogijinwa la.
Zini, yeah.
Kusazogijinwa la.
Yeah. Thina nje okwethu will keep on dishing.
Soon guys in this fresh, so don't forget, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys.
Yeah.
So we've been getting a lot of views. I saw the views are very, very much. But the likes, shut on my like. So if you are still here and watching this video, please, guys, just leave a like. A like will generally just push the video to get more views as well, and super big ngaleso sikhathi angithola.
Sure.
All thanks to you guys. I don't know, I feel like I should add anything last year thing, but yeah, let's just catch you guys on the next video.
Yeah,
you want to add anything, my boy?
No, Ntwana, I think we unpacked everything. Yeah, from me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.